have a good day. To Papa, happy birthday. Wish you happiness and good health always. And take good care of your health. And also slow down. It's only your mind that's young, but your body is not. So take good care of your body. And wish you all happiness always. And to Mama and to all, Tina, Maniroli, Titos, Roy, Malu. Hello to everyone. And whoever is watching there, hello.
Happy birthday,
Miss you all.
Happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless. Hi, everybody. How are you? I miss you. We miss you.
I miss you.
Kumusta namang tanan din na? Hi, Ma. Miss you, Ma.
Ha? Maayong among weather karon diri na kayo tugnaw. So nag-enjoy mi diri sa gawas, mga bata sad nalingaw sila sa snow. Sige, pabadlong gihapon. Pero sige lang, ini kada ko ani mabutan siguro ni. Puhon ug baloing Ginoo basin makauli mi. We'll just keep hoping and to see you all. We miss you all. Karon na mga bata to man sa silong nagkalingaw kanta, nag-concert daw sila. So kanina nakakita naman sa kanta ni Jeresa, pero si Gerard medyo mauwawon pa. So I guess wish you all hope to see you soon. Bye everyone. Happy birthday.